Welcome back to Toys Forever. Today, we are going to be doing a review of little Hatchimals. And this here is little Foxy. She is a little tiny fox with little silver wings. And a little tail, little paws, and a pink ears and blue fur. And a little yellow tummy. This here is little Daisy. She has little flowers on her head, purple wings, little pink paws, and as you can see, the flower actually matches her. And she is see-through, clear, and sparkly. As you can see, she is winking. She is winking, and she has little silver wings, little spikes. I don't know if you can see, but here's a little up close. There's a little H right there for Hatchimals. Little light pink tummy, and a little light blue beak and light blue ears too. And a little tail. Boop. Little Chili. He is a flying pig with his little tail, pink ears, spikes, and he is a little happy with his silver wings flying around.